Over the weekend, a lot of condemnation of the police. And tomorrow we're going to have the report on the future of policing. Now, I've been the first to criticise the management culture in the Gardaí in terms of lack of transparency, fake breath tests, and all sorts of problems in terms of a culture of loyalty over the public interest. However, I'm unambiguous on the issue of whether it's cops with balaclavas, that the thin blue line stands between us and enforcing law and order and protecting citizens. And frontline Gardaí deserve our support, in my opinion. We should be unambiguous about this, insofar as a lot of these protesters, we need to get real. If there are goodies and baddies, who is it that's actually trying to provoke a confrontation? I think we need to support the police. There needs to be proper protocols of dealing with protest, but it is, in my view, outrageous to think that the cops are the aggressor here when in actual fact they are defending the public interest and offer them on relatively low wages, putting their neck on the line, taking the blows on behalf of the public. I think we should support them. What do you think?